Hey guys, so today I'm going to share a very interesting blackhead remover. It is made by Vitcoco, the company, and what is special about this and what sets it apart from others is that it has a built-in camera right at the center of it. So when you're trying to remove blackheads, you can actually see the live picture and try to place the machine on your very center, dead center, so that you can easily extract it, and you can also record the video and see it being extracted. So I thought it was really interesting gadget, and I thought maybe I should share it with you guys on my channel, because I bring everything interesting and useful on my channel. So let's open it up and see how it does. It is made by Vitcoco. You can use it with iOS, Android, and it has other functions as well, like massage and cleaning pores and others. I'm actually doing a live test, like I'm going to steam my face and then try to extract blackhead from my nose. So let's see how it goes. Here we have a micro USB cable. This is the base. Put it here and it will start charging. And if you see right here is the camera at the dead center. And in terms of buttons, let's see the buttons. We have plus and minus to increase the speed, and if we this is for turn on. What I'm going to do is steam my face first. You can use something like this, the electric steamer that I have. I will leave the link to buy both of these in my video description. I'm going to steam my face for 5 minutes and then I will extract the blackhead. So let's go. Alright, so I have steamed my face for almost 10 minutes and hopefully it will be enough, because this is my first time removing any blackhead. So if I miss anything after it, or if it goes wrong, don't blame me. This is my first time. One thing that to keep in mind is that don't keep it on one spot for more than 3 seconds, otherwise you will get something like this. I read that after doing it, so please be careful when using it. See how much dirt is already out, and I even don't know how to use it. Whoa. See? Oh, the cleaning. Oh. Oh, how it cleans and everything. You can see it right on the top. See everything. Hey guys, so I just wanted to share the update after 2 days of using that Vitcoco Blackhead Remover, and you can see that, let me bring it close, the red spots have gone, my skin is still fine, so it was temporary, no worries here. So take care.